Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And if you've got a Yankee to a traveler, we want to tell you of a proposed FAA AD on the tail. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So here's a picture of the accident airplane. This is from January of this year, 2021. The elevator basically came unattached from the outboard rib. Now, the proposed AD, which is now becoming an action rule with the FAA, is that we're having delamination on the ribs, specifically the ones on the end of the tail section of both the Yankee, the 1A, the 1B, the 1C, all the way up through the Travelers, the AA5. Now, we have seen this before in the Tigers that were made in 75 with the Bad Badger purple glue, but again, it's not the entire delamination, it's just those small tails and where it's delaminating with the ribs, and that's what they're going to be asking you to look for. So this is literally hot off the presses, and we wanted to get it out to you, which is why we're putting out this short video this morning. Hope you enjoy this. Stay tuned. So I'll let you read the rule, but you want to get ahead of this, look at your airplane very carefully, have your mechanic go over it. I'd also like to say that the Grumman Pilots Association is the go-to organization when it comes to our aircraft. Both the FAA and the NTSB contact us about every accident as they can verify what's wrong with the airplane, and they come to us first. Your GPA is serving you better. So even with half the elevator detached from the aircraft, the pilot was able to control it with flaps, power, and a little bit of elevator, get it close to the ground, and everybody walked away from this one. A testament to our aircraft. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.